So in continuation with the DAX function, I want to tell you that how we created earlier few DAX functions, right? So this data set and this file is already with you. Yesterday I shared with you people, and I also shared then I should say, okay, that month was giving error, right? Returns a number. I need if I go for month number, so again it is one and the same thing. Let me try. So it is giving me month number 1 and 12. So somewhere it is doing mistake, so leave it right now. Let me try one more thing. Weekday equals to week day and then calendar date column and then close it. So it will give me weekday. So this is weekday, right? So this is how we can create our own table. Like I want a day also, so let's fetch day also. We fetched year and month, so let's fetch day also, right? Day equals to day, then calendar, this is date, so it will give me date, right? And let's create quarter also. Quarter equals to quarter and calendar. There are so many number of date function, that is why I have used the name of a table directly, right? So these are the various quarter. There are 4 quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this is how you can create a calendar table. And what I want to let you understand over here, we have used 2 type of DAX over here. One is, there are 3 DAX categories. One is your calculated table, right? So firstly we created calculated table, and second is your column, calculated column. In both, for performing both the task, you have written DAX function in the formula bar. This is DAX. So you have to, if you have to perform such kind of activities, you can perform in this way. I hope it is clear to all of you what is the difference between two. Clear? Now move further. Let's talk about various measures which we have created, right? So I have shown you here so many number of KPIs, right? How these KPIs are being created. If we talk about total sales, total discount, total COGS, total profit, profit margin, for this I have created certain KPIs using your DAX function. So we'll see one by one. One by one we'll see. Remove this. So first is total sales. So how I have created total sales, can you just see? These all are the measures which are being created by me. This is a table which is created by me, and these are the column. So you have to just look at the symbols. What different type of symbols are there which denote that which kind of DAX function is being used, right? So this is also something which you have to remember. So these all are the measures which are being created one by one. You have to see. First is total sales. So what I did to create a total sales measure, just see. Total sales. What I am doing, I am using sum function. What function we are using? Sum function. Sum. Now I have to sum up of sales. So I will just click on sales. So this is sales, and the table name is financials. So see what is happening. Sum, financial, sale. So how to create a measure? To create a measure, you have to use the name of a function, then use parenthesis, then write the name of a column. This column name will come always along with table name. This is how the selection happens, and this box bracket is closing over here. So this is the way to write a measure. How we write a measure? So let me again let you understand. There are various functions, like sum function is over here, there, then average is there, complete average you have to write, right? Average, max is there, min is there, average, max, max x is also there, sum x is also there, min, count, distinct count, divide, multiply. There are so many number of functions, right? It depends what you want to do. So on the basis of that, always what you have to do, you have to always, after writing the name of a function, you have to use parenthesis. You have to use parenthesis. So you will use this parenthesis. Within this parenthesis will open and close. Within this, table name will come, table name, and then within box bracket, column name. Always column name. Now here it actually supports IntelliSense, so no need to write entire thing. Just remember the name of a column. The moment you write the name of a column, it automatically shows the column name along with the table name. You have to select the appropriate column name and table name, because it might be the case that there are so many number of tables. You have to understand that from which table which column has to be selected or you are looking for. So I hope you are able to understand this, right? Similarly, I'll show you other let's say I want to create a measure with a maximum sale. So this is a new measure. I'll say, see what I'll do, new measure. I click on new measure, max sales is equals to, max is a function. Now I want to know the maximum of sales, so I have just written SA, and here see the name of a table and column name appear. I have to just press tab, use arrow key to reach to the particular column and table name and column name, and just after that press tab. This is maximum sales, right? Again, see, I want to know that how many total number of entries are being made over there. So total, first letter I want to keep capital, total entries or transactions, total transactions, you can say total transactions equals to count. Then what I have to take? I have to take a unique field. So what unique field financial table is having? So, or you can take any column you can take, right? So there are so many number of columns. So let me see, is there any unique key? If it is not there, I can use the table name, and then let's say entry is COGS, cost on. I can just count that how many rows are there with respect to COGS also. So I just select this. Any column you can take, because you're counting the number of rows, right? So this is total transaction. Now let's say I want to know that how many total products I am dealing with. So I say total product equals to distinct count. Here distinct count, and I have to count the product. So where is product? I have written PRO, so financial product, the table name, box bracket, column name. I will press enter. So total products. I want to know how many total countries my company is dealing with. So again I press on new measure, total countries equals to distinct count. Then I say countries, yes, countries, right? How many discounts we are giving? Total discounts we are giving, discount categories. So I'll say discount underscore categories equals to distinct count, and then discount band. How many total discount band we are having? So in this way I have created many, like I have created total discount, so sum of total discount. Similarly, see, I have created total profit, then I am having total sales, total profit, then what is the profit margin? Total profit divided by total sales, right? And similarly I want to find out previous year profit. So here I am using filter previous year profit, so I am calculating out of total profit. I only want to sum up the profit which is of same period but last year, because previous year profit today, let's say it's 22nd March 2026, so I want to know that how much profit the company has made till 22nd March 2025. So there is a function same period last year, and I have passed the date of this particular data set provided to me. So this is previous year profit, right? So this is how you can create different measures. One more measure I'll create. Let's say I want to know average profit, so I'll say average underscore profit is equals to average is a function. Now I have to take the profit, so the profit is where this profit is, this is the profit, right? So it will return the average profit. Once you generate different 5 KPIs, what you have to do, you have to go to report view. This is a report view. Here you go, then here you give a proper title of the report, whatever report you are making. Right over here, financial statement analysis of ABC company, and then select this, increase the size, make it center aligned, give a color, whatever color you want to give it to that, give that color to it, and then just make it of appropriate size, right? Then if you want to make a rounded corner, then you have to go to properties. Here it's a properties, go to in the format, there is an option here, right? This is visual border. You want to give a border, which color of border you want to give. Let's say you want to give a blue color border, how much rounded corner you want and how much width you want. Let's say you want to make a shadow on, you can make a shadow also on. So this is how you have created a title, and below this you want a KPI, you want to write show all the KPIs. So select a card, the card, select it, and in this you can keep on adding what all KPI you want to show. Let's say first of all I want to show the total sales, then I want to show total profit, then I want to show, let's say, profit margin, then I want to show the profit of previous year, and then let's say I want to show 5 they are, so let's say I want to show the total discount, right? So I have added all the 5 KPI in this only, 1 2 3 4 5 KPIs, or you can separately also add the cards and just show over there, right? In different cards you can show different KPIs. Now this is KPI. Again, if the same format I want to apply, I will select and I'll click over here. So this is right KPI I have created. In this KPI, let's say I want to give some background color, so I can give the background color also. Let's say background color, I want to give some background color to it, I can give a background color to it. So I have given a background color, right? So this is how we can do. Similarly, let's say I want to give this multicolor layout as table, so I can give in the form of table also. This is now in the form of a table. Now I want to select the shape, I want to give a rounded corner, so I have given a rounded corner to it. Now let's say in spite of gray, I want to give some other border, and let's say I want to increase the width of this, and then let's say grid line. To grid line also I want to give the same color. width I want to make the same width 6, right? And let's say if you want, you can give a dotted line also in this way. And for this, let's say layout, in this one more option is over here. You can have a snippet tab also. Snippet tab, just it's not supporting snippet tab, doesn't matter. You can just on the accent bar, and you can just say on left hand side the color of accent bar should be pink, let's say, or blue, let's say blue, right? And increase the accent bar like width. You can give a shadow also, you can give a glow also, right? Shadow color, if you want to give, you can change the shadow color as this purple only. And glow color, you can take some other glow color to differentiate, right? And you can use images also, right? I'm just removing this dotted line because in spite of this I want to keep it solid only. So this is how you can create a card. Clear? If you want to keep all the KPIs as center aligned, you can keep the KPIs as center aligned also. And if you want to make it bold, this total sales and also this also you can do. You have to just go to call out value. Here there is a call out, right? And this is a value. You can make it bold. You can make the change of a color also of this. You can make it blue in color, right? And you can make it center aligned. This is center aligned. Now label is bold. I want to make it of this color or green color. I want to take a green color, right? So this is how you can create a card. Now after this you have to create 5 visuals. So I said ki you have to take one visual from each row. You can do this also. From each row pick one visual. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Decide in this way, right? So you know this thing that for comparison you have to use either bar chart or column chart. So what you do, you just take a, let's say, a column chart, right? This is a column chart. You put it somewhere here. This is the column chart, right? Here you say country wise sales. So on x-axis take country names. Country, you have to decide what you want to show, and then on the y-axis take, let's say, sales or maximum sales, country wise maximum sales, right? Now let's say you want to divide this, you want to make a this stacked column chart. So what you can do to make a stacked column chart, you have to select this one, this stacked column chart, right? And you can stack it up. How you can stack it up, right? You can just on the legend you can put in financial, let me see, products are there. So I'll take product. So this is product wise. This is product wise. Like what I can do, I can just sort it also. So sort by maximum sales. Sort by maximum sales or sort by country and maximum sales. So actually because it's a stacked column chart, that is why it is showing in this way. Now you want to format it. So once you format it, just apply the same format everywhere so that it resembles, right? And if you want to change the background, if you want to keep the background white only, you can keep it white, right? So this is one visual. Now go to second row, take any other visual. Let's say I want to take area chart, so I'll take area chart to show the trend as well as volume. I want to keep it here only. On x-axis, let's say I want to take product, right? And on y-axis I want to take, let's say, date, date hierarchy, right? And date wise, let's take date on x-axis, date, and here take on y-axis, let's say sales, this is sales, and in secondary y-axis, let's say product. So it is showing me a nice chart. Again I will just format it. So it is showing me total sales and count of product by year, quarter, month and day. So you can just use the hierarchy also. This is a hierarchy and you can just drill down or drill up according to your convenience. You can shorten the topic also, that we'll do later on, right? Now 3 more charts we have to make. Go to third row. In third row, first of all go to just place a cursor over here, select a donut chart, show the distribution. How you will be showing the distribution? You have to show, let's say here we are having country and product and segment wise. Let's say I want to show the let's say I want to show the total profit or average profit, right? So this is how I can show. So this is how I can show. I can just format it over here. This formatted it, right? This much space I have given to, let's say, donut chart. Now I want to make a, below we are having a space. I want to go to fourth row. From here you can make a geographical map also, or you can go for tree map. The tree map. Here what you can do, you can show, let's say, product wise, segment we have taken, country we have taken. Again I am saying country wise, let's say I want to show country wise sales only. Maximum sales we have already used. So this is tree chart, tree map, right? Now go to fourth row, 1 2 3 4. Go to next row and pick the table. From here pick the table, and in table show everything. Like first of all I want to show date, then I want to show country, then I want to show product, then I want to show sale, then I want to show profit, COGS, then I want to go to, let's say here total discount, right? And let's say maximum sales. So this table I have created. Again I'll go over here and just use the format painter. So I have formatted the table also. Table has been formatted. Now use conditional formatting over here. Use conditional formatting, right? So for this you have to go to format. Here you are having an option as cell element. Go to cell element, pick any of the like column wherein you want to show the conditional formatting, and let's say you want to switch on the bars, so it will show the bar. Again you select COGS and select the icon over here. This is icon, right? Icons appears. So similarly go to maximum the total discount and change the background color. Again you are having multiple fields, so select the profit and change the font color. In this way you can just use conditional formatting also. After this you have to create an interaction and one inside. So what you can do, you can just make use of a slicer over here. First of all, it should be very well aligned. All the top and bottom line should be at the same height and same width, right, of all the visuals. Same height and same width should be there. Now select a slicer. The slicer, what I want to use as a slicer, I want to know, let's say, segment wise. So I'll select segment. Segments are coming. Again, go to properties. These are properties. Go to slicer setting and take it as a tile. Right? These are the tiles. Right? Now, you can do one more thing. You can just slicer setting, tiles, selection. Select. I want to take something else. I don't want to take this because they are odd in numbers. Countries are also 5. Product also. So leave it. Again, just select this, use format printer and format it. Right? I formatted. Now here I can create a button. What I can create? I can create a button. So how I'll create button? Later on you can give the later on we'll give the title. This is, let's say, my page. I give a name to this page as F report, financial report, and second is your insights gain. Rename insights gain. Insights gain. Right? So here you can create a text box wherein you can write all the insights you gain. Give a proper title to this. Proper title to this, like insights gain. Select it. Make the size bigger. Center align. Give a proper color to it. And after this, I'm writing whatever the insights you have gained. Left align and just make a size bigger and start writing 1 total countries my company deals with are 5. Second, total products my company deals with are 5. Then total revenue generated is total profit generated is and profit margin is. And after this, whatever you are going to evaluate, looking at the that which country is doing good, which product is doing good, that all those all things you have to analyze and write over here. Right? Now you want that one button should be here which will take you back. So you can insert from here, you can insert a button and it will take you back. This is you can just give a style also to this. Action on, you want that this button should do the page navigation and should take you to the report, which is F report, right? And here in F report you want a button, so you insert a button. This is a blank button you can create over here. Bring it over here in this space. Give a name, go to button style, switch on the text, give a text to it. Insights gain. Insights gain. Give a size to this. Make it bold. Give a font color to this. And then to this button, if you want to give a border, you can give a border. If you want to make it round, you can make it round. You can give a border. You can create a shadow and all, right? And then you have to make its action on. Go to page navigation and then select from here insights gain. And then this is how you have to create a report. This much you have to do at least in 1 hour. This is what I want. I don't want dirty work. You can give a proper title also to each and every this chart. like my maximum sales by country and product. Okay, fine, make it bold, give a proper color to it, make it center align. If you want to give a background color, give a background color, and then just go to home and use a format painter for all. Use a format painter for all. Wherever you are thinking that the title is very large, you can just make it short, right? You can make it short. So here the title is like very lengthy, so you can say total sales product by you can say date, right? And to analyze, you have to just focus and you have to understand. You can make a data label also on, like here is a property known as data label, so you can just make the labels also on, so that label appear, and data label on, so it will show the data labels, and you can just make it bold also, values bold. We can make a change of color also, so that it should look nice. Now you, when you just expand it, focus mode on, so you see the values also, and you can easily interpret. So you can switch on the data labels everywhere, so that you can look at the values, right? So data labels are on, then data labels are on, then data labels are on, right? So now if you just go to focus mode, you can look at the data labels also. So this is how you have to do. So all the best. I hope you people will be going to appear for the examination in a very good manner, and I will feel that yes, I taught you something and I am able to make you people learn. All the best.